Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using a foam cone and some plush yarn from Dollar Tree. I started by taking the yarn and wrapping it around itself. Just makes it a little bit easier when I start the hot glue. Add some hot glue on top of the cone and place down that yarn. And then just add some more hot glue and keep wrapping that around. Once I get down to the sides, I don't add hot glue every time I'm wrapping the yarn. I just wrap it around a bunch of times and add a little bit of hot glue in a few spots. Just the top, I had to add the hot glue each time so it stayed into place on that top section. And then I do the same thing on the bottom. Once I get all the way down, I'm adding hot glue all the way around and then placing down the yarn. I don't fill it in all the way yet. I'm taking a small screwdriver and pushing that up through the bottom of the cone to make a starter hole for my dowel. And this dowel's from Dollar Tree. It comes in a 4-pack and I believe they're 0.36 inches. Once I have that hole made, I fill in the rest of the bottom of that cone. And then just take my fingernails and I'm brushing around the entire thing to fluff out that yarn. And then I'm taking this berry garland I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I start by hot gluing it towards the top and then wrapping it around the cone and hot gluing just in a few places. And then I just keep wrapping it around all the way down to the bottom. Next, I'm taking the dowel that I had cut down as well as a wood tread wheel that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's 2 inches. And I'm brushing on Antique Wax by Waverly and then blending it in with a baby wipe. I then add some hot glue into that hole I made in the bottom of the cone and push the dowel in there. I then add some hot glue into the center part of that wheel and place the other end of the dowel inside there. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.